Yeah. Yeah, that's my new toy. I just took it to the car wash. You know what I'm saying? Sprayed it down. You know what I'm saying? I just felt like I needed something new to do. So the BRP, our build and repair project. So I'm gonna build and repair this to how I want it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be my art and it's gonna be for sale. You know, see, I'm gonna change that engine, put some little stronger on it. Do the seat, put a little swag to the seat. You know, BRP might be doing it. You know what I'm saying? Building and repairing. Build and rebuild this project, BRP. You know what I'm saying? Drop the engine. You know what I'm saying? Might just leave it like this and put a bigger joint in there. What's this little red? What we gonna call it? Red? Yeah, we're gonna red her out. Yeah. So this engine seized. I see the yeah, that's all. Somebody took the cap off of the oil. Let's see. Put some air in the tire. See what's good. Know the engine ain't worried. So give me an engine right quick and do what I gotta do. BRP might be right back with you. Do what I love, not what I like. You know what I say? Let's go. Yeah. Old school. I don't know. It's probably like 15 years old or better. And this bitch back. Reserve. Reserve. So keep the stick to the side. Oh, ooh, they drive. I need something to leave it alone. Patina. Fender guards, all that. Got the vision. Might jazz that fender guard up. The vision screws, yeah. And then they change that engine, spray it up, paint it, do it right. I don't know what happened to the watch, but I'm gonna feel my brain, do what I gotta do. You like it, do what I love, man. You know what I say? Let's go. Old school. I don't know. It's probably like 15 years old. I love all bikes, man. Special minis. They got another little old mini bike. Caught this joint at Wicked Wednesday like a year ago. Some electric e-bikes. BRP electric joint. Jordan, Jackson, Action,